Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So multitasking is one of the most important feature for any of the smart devices, and now we can multitask on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 effortlessly, and we can do a lot of things when it comes to the multitasking features in this watch. So not only we can save apps in the background and go to the opened apps as per our choice, but also we can go to the recent apps which is open, and definitely it can help us to do a lot of tasks more efficiently and more effectively on this watch. So we will see all the multitasking features, how we can access recent apps, and also some of the tips and hacks regarding multitasking on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So to do multitasking, you need to configure the two buttons which comes with this watch. The first is the home button and second is the back key. So you can configure any of the buttons to launch the recent apps. So to configure this, you need to come to the Galaxy Wearable app, and once you are in the Galaxy Wearable app, you have to come to the watch settings, and in the watch settings you will get the advanced options, and here you can configure any of the button. So I will recommend you to configure the home button to double press, and whenever you will be double pressing the button, you can see I have configured it to go to most recent apps. So you have to click this and select the option. I have already selected it, and whenever I will be doing anything on this watch, I can go to the app which is the last app by double clicking this button anytime. So this is the first step if you want to do the multitasking. Next thing what I will recommend you to do is configure the back key to show the recent tabs. So if I come to back key and click on show recent tabs, I can click this back key and go to any of the app which I have opened and which are stored in the background of this watch. So let's see how the multitasking works when I have configured this both of the buttons in this watch. So first of all, if I want to go to the last used app, I have to click this home key 2 times. So if I click the home key 2 times, you can see I have come to the Google Play Store which I have opened last. And if I want to go to the recent apps, I have to click and hold the back key for some time, and you can see all the recent apps which I have opened recently and stored in the background of the watch are stored in here. So I can jump to any of the apps which are the most used app in this watch, and I can go to any of the app at any point of time. And also if I don't want to keep so many apps in the background, I can clear it off by clicking on the clear all option. So this is exactly like our Android smartphone or the Android OS which we use in our phones, and this is available in the Wear OS also. Also one setting I want to show you guys so that you can do the multitasking effectively. Whenever I will be opening any of the app like the music or Spotify in there, so let's open the app music in here, and I want to listen to any of the music. So you can see I have turned on the music in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's decrease the volume a little bit, and whenever I will be clicking this home key, you will see the music player will be there running in the background, and this is the easy access to the last app which I have opened. So I don't need to go to the menu and open the music player from there. I can just tap on this music icon, go to the last app. So this is extremely important and extremely useful whenever we will be doing multitasking in this watch, because this is a great option we will be getting for multitasking. So whenever I will be pausing the music player will not be shown in this watch anymore. So you can extend the time how much long this music icon will be displayed here. So to do that, you can go to the settings of this watch, and in the settings you will get the option of display, and in the display if you scroll down a little bit, you will get the option of show last app. So this is the option which you can configure. So if you want the music player to be shown for a longer period of time, you can configure it to 1 hour also or 2 minutes also. So after 20 seconds of showing the last app, the app will not be available for multitasking in here. So you can configure this as per your choice, and will be a great option for multitasking in this watch. And obviously if the app is not showing anymore, you can go to the last app by just double clicking in here, or you can go to the recent apps by just clicking and holding in here by going to the music player from the recent apps of this watch. So multitasking in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is very easy, and you can do a lot of things and use this watch very effectively and accomplish a lot of tasks in this watch with the help of the features which are available in this watch. So I just wanted to show you the multitasking options and multitasking features in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.